Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. As you already know, Binance has bought the FTX to avoid liquidity problems. This was not expected as they were huge rivals and now they come as saviors. Let's find what FTX token is going to do, because eventually you can see that it almost lost all its valuation. We had a bearish pennant already. Okay, FTX was going to move down from here. The technical analysis didn't seem like it would go all the way up higher. The next price targets for FTX, if we had a repeat, a nice normal market, would be the case that it goes down, for example, to correct at the 11.96 from here. Okay, I was expecting a correction of more than 40%. Okay, so this would be a 50%, but at the end of the day, the fact that we made a minus 79.78% correction is the reason behind actually that we made this huge correction is that we had the news yesterday about FTX and Binance. Now we want to see what is going to happen. Is there anything that we can do right now in order maybe for FTT to get back up higher, or is this becoming a new Luna? Let's find out right here. I do not think that this will become a huge Luna, but at the end of the day, in the 4-hour frame, the minus 68% doesn't leave many chances for investors to get in. What I mean by that is that the investors that they have big money, right? They have huge money in their portfolios. They won't get in so easily. Right now, what we are going to do and what we are doing is holding for the time being at least the 3.60. But always remember that we are forming also a new bearish pennant in the lower time frames. Okay, so be sure that you won't fall a victim of a buying opportunity around here, because it is very likely that we retest the 3.48 and maybe going even lower to the 1.5168. From there, it is very possible that we are going to have a buying opportunity, okay, from the 1.5168 USDT around here. Okay, do not think that it is exactly the 68, but around there. Okay, we are going to have a good buying opportunity for the time being, though FTT is not in the best mood right here. You can see that on the daily frame after the news, minus 75%, insane crash. And I hope that you were not into FTT token, because many people that were there lost almost all their money in just one single day. And here is what you need to do: always set a stop loss. I'm just telling this over and over again. In the USA, if you work as a financial advisor and you do not sell the stop loss, you do not set the stop loss, you will just get unemployed. You will be unemployed in the next day. All right, you will get kicked out of the company. Why is that? Because stop losses can save you from these price actions. Imagine that if you were handling 100,000 out of somebody and they were telling you that I'm going to lend you 100,000 Ether USD, you can take the 30% profit and you would have a long position without a stop loss right here. So what would you say? I lost all your money? I never made it to the time you had 100,000 Tether USD and I lost all of them? No. Okay. So here, always keep in your mind the FTX token, FTT against USDT chart right here in the daily scale. Look at that right there, huge price action coming in, and for now we won't have the demand. Okay, the demand will be missing for the FTT. All right, now some actually investors might play with some long positions. You know, we might be having a little bit of a huge pump and then a huge dump. We could be having such a nice price fluctuation right there, but I do not think that this will be something that will get FTT all the way up higher. I'm expecting lower price targets due to the fact that there is no trust right now. Okay, there's no trust with the news right here, with this huge correction. Okay, everything is printed on the chart and we cannot ignore the fact that we had a minus 78%. Expect more correction right now, maybe a rebirth at 1.51, or when we retest the 3.48, maybe I'm saying we have less chances here to have like a 35% pump or so, like maybe 78%, but we have less chances. Here we have more chances into seeing a significant pump, okay, that could bring us a little bit further upwards. However, for the time being, the crypto market in general is not supportive for something good, okay, and the fact that the FTT had this huge correction right here, it is not supportive either. You can see that in the 4-hour frame we get plus 19% pumps, then we are going to have plus 10%. We're going to do something like that all the time, but be careful about that because we might be forming bearish pattern getting even further down. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.